Jaya saw the equation 2x squared plus kx plus 8 equal to 0. Seeing this, she asks her friend Jay a question. The question was, for which value or values of k will the quadratic equation have imaginary roots? Jay says, it's very easy. I will solve it now. First of all, by comparing this equation broadly with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we get the values of a, b, and c. We know that the roots of quadratic equation will be imaginary if the value of its discriminant is less than 0, that is, negative. If we substitute the values of a, b, and c in this and solve, we get that k is greater than negative 8 and smaller than positive 8. So, for every value of k greater than negative 8 and smaller than positive 8, the quadratic equation 2x squared plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 will have imaginary roots. In this video, we have seen some interesting examples based on discriminant of the quadratic equation and nature of roots.